Comes to Lydia's learning video again. We're gonna learn with my voice. You can do it. So you know this one. About one. Do you know that one? Yes, you're correct. It's aso. How about this one? You know that? Yes, you know. It's bahay. And then the next one, it's kama. How about this one? You don't know it? You know? You're just joking me. I know it. It's dahon. How about this one? You already know that. It's elefante. How about this one? You always drink that milk, but it starts with gatos. Now is this what you don't, but you know this. Now next one, you know this one. The next one is start with the letter L. So now this is the start with the letter M. Now it starts with the letter N. You know that. How about this one? How about this one right here? You already know that. Next time. Right, you're doing great. You're super good. No, you didn't know it. You can do it, I bet. Yep, you can do it. Yes, you can do it, really do it. You are super strong. Yeah, you do it already. You can do it. I know you can do it. Thanks for subscribing at Lydia's Learning Alphabet English. So, like at Lydia's video YouTube channel. You can see me at YouTube Kids or Real for Grown-Ups YouTube. So, bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Or like and share. Bye-bye.